Your leads are scattered everywhere. Modern marketing teams rely on dozens of tools to run campaigns and manage customer data, but those systems rarely talk to each other properly. Integrations break silently, CRM data goes stale, and by the time your team responds, the prospect may already be talking to a competitor. At Omnify X, we build the connections your marketing stack is missing. And today we want to show you sysConnector. Built for teams who never want to lose a lead or lose track of their customers, sysConnector runs 5 steps automatically. Capture leads from every source, clean and standardize the data, map fields with AI assistance, sync to your CRM in real time, and unify every lead into a structured customer profile. Every source, one destination, no babysitting. Connecting a source takes one click. Meta, LinkedIn, TikTok, WhatsApp, Google Sheets, web forms, SFTP, they're all built in. No more leads sitting inside different platforms. Need to split names, standardize phone formats, or map custom fields? sysConnector's AI-assisted mapping handles it automatically. Standardize formats, map fields, and clean messy data. Before it ever reaches your CRM, here's what makes sysConnector different. Every lead becomes a structured customer profile. With AI-assisted mapping, sysConnector standardizes data across sources, creating a clean foundation for future identity matching and insights. Not just a sync tool, a customer data layer. A lead submits on Meta. 2 seconds later, they're in your CRM. Clean, standardized, and ready for outreach. No delays, no manual work. See what synced, what failed, and why. Fix issues quickly without guessing. No more silent failures. No more finding out days later that leads went missing. Built for teams, built for agencies. Invite team members, control access by project, and protect customer data. Hide PII from external users. Manage multiple clients without the chaos. Every platform your team uses. Meta, LinkedIn, TikTok, WhatsApp on one side, HubSpot, Salesforce, Adobe Campaign, Brevo on the other. One connector. Clean data flowing in real time. Stop losing leads. Start building a customer data foundation you can actually trust. Visit sysconnector.com. No credit card required, 2-minute setup.